The Executive MBA is an 18-month program that's delivered over 8 one-week modules. What that means is you're coming together for a focused, immersive module, and then between that, you're back at work applying what you learn in real time, not months later. If you're thinking about Executive MBA options, you're probably weighing up a few different things. First of all, it's always, will this be worth it? Will it genuinely shift my career? Will it change how I lead? The second is really, am I able to manage this? Am I able to do this alongside a demanding job and a really full life? And then of course is like, who else am I studying alongside? Are they going to be genuine peers? And then there's a question that I don't think gets asked, but should be, is now the right moment? I think that the moment is right when it is the time when you see a capability gap, when you see your responsibilities are expanding, and you also see knowledge gaps you would like to develop. So that's where we can help you accelerate your impact. At your point in your career, I suspect that you're not looking for more information, you're looking for a change in how you lead. So leadership development is definitely not a side theme in a program. I would say that it's a red thread running throughout it. Between modules, we ask you to apply what you've learned by designing and implementing a micro experiment. You're deciding what to try and to test, and then you're reflecting on the results and the impact. Effectively, this cycle of, okay, let me think about what I want to test, let me set something up and let me do this and then evaluate the results. That is where you really start to see impact. Each module in the Executive MBA program has been designed to have a thematic focus. This could be around learning more about yourself with the first module, the centered leader. It's also around decision-making, innovation, operations, all the really important and key business issues. There are 2 international modules in your program. The first one is the Global Network for Advanced Management. This is a network of 33 leading business schools around the world, and this is your opportunity to go and do a 1-week course at one of those other schools. So you're learning from different faculty, you're learning alongside students from all of these different schools. The second international week is the International Field Seminar. We decide together where we're going to go. The current Executive MBA class is actually in Japan, so they are exploring Tokyo, but we've gone to Mexico City, Buenos Aires. It really is up to you to shape that destination. We go and visit large multinationals, but we're also looking at local startups, scale-ups, NGOs, and social enterprises. The Executive MBA concludes with your final project. Now, this is an integrative project, ideally something that you'll be doing for your employer, either that's related to your current role or the role where you want to go to next. This is really an opportunity for you to solve a business challenge that your employer is facing in order to really demonstrate how much your thinking has changed, how it's evolved, and deliver additional value for your company and organization. I would say expect around 10 hours per week. Yes, this is really demanding. However, I would say that we've structured this to be manageable alongside your full-time role, and also with a steady rhythm of 1-week residency, 8 weeks between is a really good way of helping make learning stick. We look at ROI in a very practical way, which is around leadership effectiveness, around career progression, and the network that you're building at the end of the program. We are really proud that ESMT is ranked #1 in Germany, and our Executive MBA is ranked #7 worldwide for career progression. So this really, I think, reflects the fact that we focus on outcomes and not just intentions. Now, if I've piqued your curiosity about the Executive MBA, please reach out for a personal consultation. We would love to learn more about you and to advise you on whether the program is a good fit and also the next steps in the process. And if you're ready to bite the bullet and apply, just do so. Go to our website, esmt.berlin.